If you want to know how to fix too many friends problem on Snapchat, you've come to the right place. So I'm going to open Snapchat and I want to open my friends list. So let's open our profile page, scroll down to find friends area, and here we can click on my friends. So if you have a lot of friends, you'll receive this problem and you won't be able to add any friends more. And in order to fix it, firstly, I'm going to recommend you to delete your old friends you're not going to chat with, don't going to speak. So it will be like free, it will make some free slots as for your new friends. So I'm going to click on someone here, click on manage friendship, and then we can just simply click on a remove friend. And after that, we'll be able to add at least one friend instead of this one. And the other way of how can we fix this problem is that we need to open our App Store or Google Play, depends on your mobile device. And here we need to search for Snapchat directly. We need to open their page with the app. And here we need to upgrade it to the latest version because sometimes they can increase the limit of friends everyone can have on their Snapchat account. So if you have like update or upgrade button, you need to click on it and then just download the latest version. So after that, we can simply go back to Snapchat, here go to chat folder, and we can easily try to search for the friends, we can add them. Also, we can use like quick add and so on. And if you still have this problem, the only one solution of how can you fix it is just simply go to your friends list and then just delete the unnecessary friends, because everyone has their limits and the only one way to fix is to make some free slots for new friends. So this is a way of how can we fix a Snapchat too many friends problem. Leave a like, subscribe, goodbye.